Okay. So the third contest is our artificial intelligence. So in this artificial intelligence, for the category one, we are having the AI design wizard. We are going to create a poster challenge. Okay. So in this poster challenge for the category one, so we will be using AI tools such as Bing Copilot, so which is a Microsoft AI tool, ChatGPT, or Gemini AI. So these are the tools which helps to create posters by your prompt. Okay, so you have to develop your posters with your prompts. After generating a poster, you have to present the poster in that video and explaining how you are supporting for this challenges with respect to the themes. So for poster challenge, we are having two themes: protect our planet. So create a poster to raising awareness about taking care of Earth, focusing on recycling, reducing waste, or protecting animals. So these are the first theme for the poster challenge. So you have to make sure to follow this. If you are choosing the first theme, you have to make sure to create the poster based on this to protect our planet. So the second thing is a space adventure. So design a poster about exploring all the space things and imagining how life on space and showcasing their exciting space discoveries. So in this poster challenge, you can use either a Microsoft Bing Copilot or a ChatGPT or a Gemini AI. You can create your posters and you can submit that poster in that video format along with your poster presentation. So the video submission format. So in this video submission format, you have to introduce yourself along with your name, grade, and brief introduction about your project, and clearly explain what theme you choose for this poster design. And in this poster explanation, you have to clearly explain the content of the poster and what element were chosen, why, and how AI tools helped. You can clearly explain in that video. And the final insight is you can share your messages, you can share your overall messages of the poster. And finally, you can share your learnings and experience in this contest. So the rules and regulation is use AI tools. You can use your AI tools to assist in generating the poster content. So after creating the poster, submit the video presentation in the following specific format. Creativity and originality. The poster and video should reflect originally ideas and showcase the student's own thoughts, even with the AI assistant. And for the time limit, posters and video must be submitted within the deadline of the competition. Yeah. And for the video requirement, so the maximum time limit is 3 minutes, and accepted format for the video is MP4 or AVI or MOV. So the video submission is whether you can upload the video in the Google Drive and kindly given the access, the view access to view your video, or you can upload the video in your YouTube channel and submit the link. And for the submission, upload the video along with the poster in the designated submission portal. Language, yeah, you can speak any language, but we are preferred English, but you can speak any language in that video. And for the selection criteria, the 40 points for poster creativity and messages, and 30 points for video presentation, and 20 points for use of AI tools, and 10 points for how you are communicating in that video, which means the video presentation. So here the jury decision is final, and so the creativity stands for your uniqueness in the presenting the content. So yeah, so the chatbot